Ladies, are you tired of shaving, waxing, and expensive salon visits? I know I am. So today I'm going to introduce you to the MimiSilk IPL hair removal device. This is the world's most trusted home IPL solution for smooth and silky skin. So MimiSilk is globally certified and tested under the strictest standards, and that's including the FDA and SFDA approvals. So that means it's safe, effective, and trusted worldwide. So let's talk about the features and benefits of this wonderful device. First of all, it's up to 97% hair reduction in just 2 weeks. It's got long-lasting smoothness with a painless treatment, no pain. Its sleek, lightweight design is for easy use at home. Now this is suitable for full body treatments, and I'm talking arms, underarms, legs, face, your bikini line, and more. It is the first and only IPL device FDA and SFDA approved for the Middle East, and perfect for European, Australian, and Japanese customers too. It loves everybody. So who's it for? Well, MimiSilk is designed for, one, adults 18 and older who are trying IPL for the first time. Anyone who started professional clinical treatments but found them to be too expensive or time consuming, people who have tried other IPL devices that were just too weak and want a stronger brand. Anyone debating between IPL and laser, but who want a cost-effective option. So it's great for all those types of people. MimiSilk works best on light to medium dark skin tones with dark blonde to black hair. It's less effective on very blonde, gray, or red hair, and it's not very suitable for very dark skin tones. So here's the science. By week 1 to 4, you're gonna have hair growth that's going to slow way down. By week 5 to 8, you're gonna have hair growth becomes visibly thinner. By week 9 to 12, most hair follicles shrink and stop growing, leaving your skin smooth. The results speak for themselves. Dramatic reductions on underarms, legs, arms, bikini, and even facial hair. And you know what I'm talking about, with smooth skin that lasts. So follow me in my bathroom while I show you how to use the MimiSilk device. Let's go. So using it is super simple. First, you want to prepare your skin. You're going to shave any hair longer than 2 millimeters, and you're going to clean that area. Now you're going to select your mode. You're going to plug in the device, put on protective glasses, and press the button to activate. You're going to start treatment. You're going to hold the flat light surface against your skin, press, and glide across the area. Now the treatments take about 10 minutes for a full body session. Okay, so now let's talk about tips and safety. You want to avoid tattooed areas and the thyroid region. Your inner thighs, bikini, and buttocks can be more sensitive. So you want to start on the lowest setting. Now, why choose MimiSilk? Why did I choose MimiSilk? Same professional results as laser hair removal, but at half the cost. And if you go to these hair removal places, it's so expensive. So unlike salon treatments that require constant visits, MimiSilks give you a lifetime home solution. You're gonna save time, you're gonna save money, and you're gonna say goodbye to the endless cycle of razors and waxing. Well, so ladies, if you're ready for silky smooth, salon perfect skin from the comfort of your own home, then MimiSilk is your answer. Check the link in the description to learn more. and see the full list of certifications. Why wait for smooth skin? And I don't know about you, but I'm gonna start with MimiSilk. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. That would mean so much to me. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching my channel. All links will be in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.